Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the 12,000 FIFA points pack opening. We're going to open another 3,000 FIFA points. So let's get into it with the first pack. Got absolutely no one in the last part. So annoyed about that. So yeah, hopefully we'll get someone decent on this one. And we get not too good, but we get Paul Pogba as well. That's good. It's a very good pack actually. Got good feelings about this one, not gonna lie. So yeah, great first pack there guys. Not worth too much, but still a decent pack. So we're going to go to the second one. Please give us something here, please. Feeling lucky, I'm really feeling lucky. Come on, give us someone here. Yes, that's decent. Rakitic, decent. I think Ard's getting better, guys. Hopefully, we're gonna get someone decent in the next pack. Sorry, I'm talking a bit weird, guys. I'm trying to do two things at once. But I'm gonna open these packs. The first video should be up by now. If it's not, I will be worried. So yeah, second pack, and we get Pele. I wish it was the other Pele. Obviously. Right. Let's get rid of him. We're going to another pack. Alaba. Come on, Alaba. Give us someone good. Come on, Alaba. And we get Balotelli. Yes, guys, that is a very good pack. And Zabaleta. That is a very good pack, that is. I can really feel the look this time now, guys. Right then, let's just start him off at start him off there. Right, so going to the next pack with high hopes now, guys. Really getting some good players. So next pack, who do we get? Kon Yoshida, whoever his name is. I think it is anyway. Not sure. Get it's decent. It's still a rare. Stats are decent, to be honest. 82 defending, 79 heading. That's decent. Let's get rid of them. Right then, now, come on Messi. Can we get Messi inside the pack? Hope. Right then. So we get, who do we get? It's decent, still. Oh, and we get Raheem Sterling. Still a decent pack. And next pack. Ooh, come on. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Abate, it's decent. Very good player. Right then. It's a nice pack there. Cisco and Almero. Packs are getting better, and obviously, as I've already said, I am going to be doing a giveaway. So if you do get on good, then if you want to know what the giveaway is, then look on the first video. Okay, great. Oh, that's a bit of a letdown. But we're still going with high hopes. We don't want you. Next pack. Give someone good EA, please. Please EA, please. Come on. Right, so guys, I think I'm gonna do after this. I'm gonna do a squad builder. Of I don't know what team yet. It'll probably be about 300k team. I think it's either gonna be 300 or 100. But I need to, because I've got this really good squad lined up for you. I've got 2 really good squads lined up here. Actually 3 because I've got my championship as well. Which there's gonna be some making videos for them. So yeah, should be good guys. So I've got all these lined up, and so my channel's gonna be quite busy for the next, I don't know how long, but it is, especially with a lot of squad builders, because I really do like building different squads, cheap squads, fairly expensive squads, you know, different types. I want like an 800k squad, don't know yet though. I want to get Boateng, he's a very good player. I really do like that Boateng, I think he's a great player. So I was saying guys, I might do like an 800k team, million team, but mainly it's going to be on the lowdown. So yeah, against Team Cahill, and I hope gives us the player we want. And who's he give us? Oh, that's not very good. Develop down. Oh well. Let's carry on into it, guys. We got about 1,050 FIFA points left for this one, and we got another Team Cahill pack. Normally they're quite lucky for me, so I hope it gives me someone good this time as well. And we get, oh, that's alright. Got an H2 centre back, Chedge, I don't know how to say his name, I'm not going to attempt it. And we got the beast, Christoph Samba. I've actually played with Christoph Samba before, and he actually is very good. And that is another team we're doing, it's probably a Russian league team. Because I've had a lot of Russian league teams before, and they are very good, I'm not going to lie. That was a very good pack. Give it. Oh, now we'll just quick sell then. 750 FIFA points left. Come on, Tim Cahill, please give us someone good. Oh, shabby Frito. Get rid of you. Right, come on. AI. Give me that player. We get, is that Garay? This has been a bit of a letdown, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Nowhere near the end yet, about halfway-ish through. Obviously, you know, we want a good player. Balotelli is the best so far. And Lloris, oh that's a good pack. Got Hugo Lloris, great player. Yeah, quite happy with that pack. I will be giving him away if anybody wants him. And literally it's just going to be the first person who asks who will get. I'll give you, like, I'll just give you 4 different players, probably give you like, because I've already got Balotelli in my club. I'll give you Balotelli, I'll give you Lloris, maybe a couple of other players. Probably a few coins as well. And we'll get Benzema, it's a very good pack. So Benzema's going to be another player who I will be giving away. Last pack, guys. Pack looks going good at the moment, so obviously we're going to hope we get somebody else good. load it now.